So another example of social learning theory would be when Donna explained to me that when she was an adolescent, most women in society were either nuns or teachers, which is why Donna felt influences to first be a nun. She would even ask her mother, a seamstress, to make her her own habits to wear so she could practice being a nun. This could also be an example of self-efficacy, as Donna thought if she practiced being a nun as an adolescent, she would successfully become a nun as an adult. Going back to Erickson's theory, although there are many positives with his theory, there are some limitations as well. Some limitations would be differences based off of the individual. Not all his stages apply to each person. There can be differences. His theory focuses on the individual, which can also be seen as a limitation. Sometimes the individual can be boxed into a certain stage. I found this to be an interesting limitation because I found that Donna was a very mature adolescent and that her adolescence staged based off of her maturity or the events in her life that could have crossed paths with the young adulthood stage. There are also expectations that could be limitations, including cultural expectations, family expectations, and society expectations that might not agree with some of the stages that Erickson's theory presents. I hope you all enjoyed my project, and these are the references to support the information that I have talked about today. Thank you.